Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Before we get started, please click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you all of my fidgets. So my first fidget that I think I ever had, well, since I found it, because it was my mom's old one, was this one. Well, it was basically just a toy, but then it became a fidget, I'm guessing, because all my friends said it was a fidget. So it's like, basically you can poke it and stuff. There's like little grains of rice things or something in it. It's a little lizard. It has eyes. And basically, probably like all the lizard things, mostly. Please subscribe to my account. So this is my first fidget. On to my second fidget. I have two things as my second fidget. Okay, yeah. This circle poppet with this marble. I basically had this marble for a while. My sister got it, and then she has like a million other ones. So this marble and this poppet. Let me show you how good it is. There. So that's my three fidgets that I have. This next one I bought with my own money for my birthday. It's this Neato ball. It's really cool and squishy. I like this because, like, whenever I have stress, it helps a lot for whenever I have stress. And I have stress a lot because I've been going through a hard time since COVID happened. So that's my fourth fidget. Here's my fifth fidget. And I have two of these, but my other friend took mine. Or I lost the other one. But it's similar. And it has really good pops on both sides. And I got this for my birthday from my friend. And it comes with a little D-ring. Okay, time for my next fidget. I have this heart poppet. Yeah, and as you guys might know now, I have a lot of fidgets. Well, I mean poppets. I'm probably gonna buy more online, but for now, these are the ones I have. So I got a rainbow heart poppet, a circle poppet, a mini pineapple poppet, and my seventh fidget is this big pineapple one. And you guys might notice this one from somebody you know or anywhere. Maybe other videos or something. But on this side, this one is the best pop. And these are all my fidgets that I have right now. So, the lizard, circle puppet with marble, dough ball, pineapple, baby pineapple, mama big pineapple, and rainbow heart. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up